Your outfit. Oh, show me your slippers. Oh, turn around and let's see the back. Oh. Oh. Do you want me to put some music on?
Yeah, fucking did.
Okay, over this way. Don't forget to dance pretty with your outfit.
Can I touch the ball?
Don't forget to twirl. Don't forget to twirl in your outfit. Oh, nice. Put your arms up like a ballerina. And then don't forget to bow. And put your leg out. Oh, nice. Do you like your dance outfit? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think it looks nice?
Yeah.
Oh,
What I could do now?
I don't know. Why don't you do a little dancing? How about a little twirling?
What should I do now?
Whatever you want. What would you like to do?
This.
Oh, that's not how you do ballet, though.
What should I do it?
You can push down and touch your toes. Oh, nice. Say bye-bye.
Bye